So you want to play Minecraft with your friends and you're wanting to make a server, but it may be too complicated as you can see here. I'll show you a very quick and easy way to make a server for free. No more wasting time, there are timestamps down below, let's begin. Alright, so we are making a server on a hosting service called Atenos, which is completely free. So what you want to do is go to atenos.org. It'll get you to the main website. Scroll down to play at the bottom right, or at the right side. When you're here, you'll be taken to a place to sign up or log in. I already have an account, but if you don't have one, you're going to have to sign up. So when you click sign up, it'll tell you to put your username. You can put any username you like. Accept this. Click on next, it'll give you a password, and then you'll be signed right in. So let me just sign in. Alright, once you've signed in, you automatically be taken to the atenos.org/servers website where you can see your servers. Now to create a server for people to join, you want to click on create a server here. Once you clicked on create, it'll tell you if you want to use it for Java edition or Bedrock edition. So you can use this for both if you're wondering. And I'm just going to leave it at Java edition. So this is the server address you'll be sending to your friends. You can change it if you want, but I'm not going to change it, I'm just going to keep it like that. So click on create. Now once it's done, it'll take you to another page, and then it'll take you to the main controls page. Now to actually start the server, just click on start right here. You may need to watch an ad. Click on yes, I accept EULA. It'll be starting, just give it a second. Alright, now once it's done, it'll give you something like this. It'll tell you the server's online, and there's a countdown here. So basically the server will automatically stop once the countdown is finished if there's no players. So as you can see, there's 0 players in the server right now. So if there's still 0 by the time this is finished, then the server will stop and you have to press start again. But if there are players, then this thing will stop. Now to actually join it, you and your friends have to go to Minecraft, go to multiplayer, click on add server, paste the server address and then join that server, and then it should be working. And now on the side note, you can do other things as well, like you can install mods and stuff by going to the side, going to software. You can have like mods and plugins and stuff. I wouldn't recommend to do it now because you're just starting off, but if you want to, then you can. You can also go on options on the left, and you can change the properties of the servers. So you can change it from survival to creative, you can have it hard mode, you can turn PvP off or on, you can have command blocks, villages. So yeah, just basically good stuff you can use. And yeah, there's also a console on the left which just tells you what's happening in the world. But other than that, you can just leave it at your server and just keep it on. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you're looking forward for Roblox content, then please subscribe because I'll be continuing Roblox content. If you want some Roblox content, I'll give you suggestions right here.